is our factory front desk, and there are a lot of patents and high-tech cooperation owner. This is our warehouse. This is finished products warehouse. And let's follow the camera. Go inside of our factory. This is our goal. We promise the defect rate smaller than 0.01%. This is for removing static electric. This is our full automatic and agent test line, and at the left is the agent rack for small orders, like this is 0.6 meter tubes. And let's go to around this agent line. You will see warehouse for the raw material, and you will see some workers working on the LED tube driver here. This part is LED driver part. And this is R&D department. There are a lot of like this fail meter for LED driver test. Also a lot of equipment. Okay. They are working on 4-foot LED tubes. This is the second workshop, mainly for 8-foot LED tubes. This is meeting room, and the right are all finished products. 8-foot, you see the carton is very long. And let's follow the camera. You see the left, all cartons material there, and someone are packing here. This is the final step. And go inside. The right are agent rack. The QC is checking the appearance, checking all the parameters, checking the PC cover, and checking the color temperature. You see the long wires here. And go inside. There will be very interesting machine waiting for you. Okay, just one moment. This is a defect area. This is our SMT workshop. It's for LED chips made on the PCB board. Okay, later we will have a detailed video show this SMT one. SMT workshop. They are working on make LED chips perfectly on the PCB board. Okay, let's see the video. They are handling. After the step, go to VVC machine with the LED chips here. I will give you some voice of this one. Okay, clearly see the chips have been arranged on this one, and after they will put in this high temperature equipment, go out, then the LED chips with PCB board are ready. Okay, and I think there is a more detailed video for the second floor machine. This one, let's give a few minutes. The QC put LED tubes on that, and the parameters shows on the screen. You just see that. Yes. And each part we can open to see the tubes. Let's open one. Yeah. Each part is for a step agent, like high temperature, like switch on and off, and the electric leakage. Okay. We use the laser print machine within a few seconds. This is eggshell package. This paper tube package. This will be a foam package. You see, they packed very well for each tube, and we will put instruction on the first. Yeah, then that's it. I think now you have a first impression of this factory. Welcome to visit Zohnson. Welcome to visit us. Then see ya. Bye bye.